How to join the Blox fruit server in the Discord. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can join the Blox fruit server in the Discord. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Discord, and here you have to go in the add a server. Now once you are in, just have to go into the join a server, and here in the join a server you have to type the Blox fruits, and you just have to click on the join server. Now sometimes the server is currently full, so what you have to do is log in and try joining at a different time, and after that once you are able to join the server you have to open up the new tab and go into your Roblox, and here you have to go into the Blox fruit server and you just have to enter the invite link. And once you enter the invite link you are able to add the Blox fruit server in your Discord and the Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.